nice, son. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Like it or love it, it's double or nothing. You ain't getting money, the nigga you bugging. Damn ass fat, you know I'ma hug it. Lows by the truck, fuck up the budget. Cashing it in, damn I'm a bucket. OD, you know I overdoes it. If it ain't moolah, we cannot discuss it. Her name ain't Erica, she finna bust it. Her name ain't Megan, but yeah, she a stallion. The way that we dressin' ran out of Italian. New chain bustin', peep the medallion. Pull your own troubles out by the gallon. Her name ain't Lotta, but she from the south. Her name ain't Ruby, she got a big mouth. Putting it in, she sticking it out. Putting it in, she sticking it out. She like salsa, one in a hole, just like a golfer. If you ain't leeching, what can you offer? Niggas ain't got it, they just be talkers. Niggas ain't got it, they just be talkers. They gon' tell you what you wanna hear. Yeah, put you in a nice pair. Best if you don't listen.
All this shit on me, I'm making her wet. It's double line, they know we the set. They know we up next, that's why they upset. Diamonds on me, and you know it's baguettes. Ballin' so hot, man, I need me a rap. If you ain't on time, then you getting left. Can't live in the past, ain't got no regrets. Ain't looking for love, just want me some sex. Like it or love it, still gotta respect it. How you in first, but you coming in second. They watching your next, so you gotta protect it. Running it up and we breaking the records. You gave us your last, you should've just kept it. Eyes on me as soon as I step in. The eye on me, you know what I'm reppin'. It's eyes, so yeah, you know what we dressing. Our blessings is coming, they know that we destined. Like it or love it, they know how we coming. Just send us the budget. Send us the budget. She want a second, my hands are on weed. She tell me don't touch it. What you doing? We bringing them vibes, they know we don't force it. Tell them don't rush us. Don't rush us at all. Hate us or love us, it really don't matter. Ain't holding no grudges.
Like it or love it, it's double or nothing. You ain't getting money, the nigga you bugging. Damn ass fat, you know I'ma hug it. Lows by the truck, fuck up the budget. Cashing it in, damn I'm a bucket. OD, you know I overdoes it. If it ain't moolah, we cannot discuss it. Her name ain't Erica, she finna bust it.
She want me to touch her, I'm making her cream. Like she a Russian, she for the team. She bring her cousins, I'm bringing my brothers. Now it's the scene and we all for being.
Like it or love it, I had you just dub it. Ain't no in between, no in between. She for the streets, feeling so geek. She for the streets, feeling so geek.
Like it or love it, they know how we coming. Just send us the budget. Send us the budget. She want a second, my hands are on weed. She tell me don't touch it. What you doing? We bringing them vibes, they know we don't force it. Tell them don't rush us.
Don't rush us at all.
Hate us or love us, it really don't matter. Ain't holding no grudges, no.
Well, miss, I guess I'll be on my way now. You just give me a...
YouTube. It is your favorite guy, Mr. Brown Guy, and I just had one of the most amazing full body workouts. This is gonna turn off, and hopefully you can still see me. If not, apologies for that. Well, the best question I have chosen for this ride today is actually not a question that I've gotten. It is, but I actually have a question for you instead. You can comment in the comments below, or you can shoot me a DM, whatever you might like. The question is, and I'll give you a little base so you know why I'm asking this. I do have some people that I help a little bit when it comes to their training, nutrition. I have a PT degree in training nutrition, so it's a smaller part, not the biggest, not the huge package as a bachelor's degree or a PhD or whatever the fuck it might be. But I have something to show and some knowledge to give. So the question is, if you are on a meal plan, you are on a meal plan where you have told me these are the things that I like, and I've put together a meal plan where you are actually just eating it, telling me day after day you love it, and you're doing everything you can. You're not feeling too hungry, but you do crave a little bit, which is good, because then you have some lower days with some lower calories, and when it comes to your leg days, you have some high calories where you can put the extra sugar or the extra calories in. So the aspect here is a bit bro science, but still, you get to enjoy it. You get to choose the things that you eat. Now, the problem here is simply, why are you then not following the plan? Why are you then not doing the basic fucking things that you need to do in order to lose weight? Then you come back and tell me, I've done everything I can to lose weight, nothing's working. And I'm just there thinking, okay, you tell me you're on your calories, you're doing your cardio, and I don't like cardio doing inside. No, I want your steps out there. Now you're telling me and looking me straight in my eyes that you're doing everything you can, and the only thing we can do here is actually drop your calories. Whatever some fucking guru out there tells you. You can do this juice diet, you can do this juice diet, you can lose, I don't know, 12 kilos in 12 days by starving yourself. Yes, I believe that, because you are starving yourself. It's calories in versus calories out. It will always be like that. There are some other factors out there, I believe that, but don't tell me that you can take a magic pill and then eat in a surplus no matter how much you want to and still lose weight. That doesn't exist. And if it did exist, you're going to fuck up your health. So don't do that. Get your fat ass down here and apologize. Not to me, to yourself. If you want to lose weight and you have a timeline, you need to follow it. Otherwise, you're not going to reach your goal. All right? This is a question I've had too many times. Well, we had 12 weeks. The first 8 weeks, you were a slob. Now you have 4 weeks, and you fucked up, but you need to reach it because you promised. I don't know who. Well, the 8 weeks, you're an idiot because I told you from the beginning. And it's the same thing that goes here. If you have a desire to reach a goal, you need to follow your plan. You don't need to go from 0 to 100 in a day. No. Be better every day, just 1%. 1% every single day. In 100 days, you will be twice the person you were 100 days ago. All right? So that's it for today. Hopefully, I'll get to trash you a little bit more in a later video, or you get to trash me on my DMs. Shoot me a text, comment in the section, follow, subscribe. Right now, I love you, all right? I'm here to show some love. I'm here to discipline, and I'm here to tell you how it is. Nothing more, nothing less, all right? I'll see you next time. Hey.